The Northwest Eco Innovation Programme is going to provide business support to about 420 SMEs in the Northwest region. It's driven by the imperative of climate change and the burgeoning opportunities in the environmental technology sector that will deliver. In particular, SMEs will receive impartial and unique advice on how to look at their products and services and to make them low carbon. It will look at the materials that are used, the design of the product, how those materials can be reused, and ultimately how they can be disposed of. The global market for environmental technologies is increasing exponentially. What we want to do is allow Northwest companies to seize the opportunities available from those drivers and gain competitive advantage. The programme is led by Lancaster University in partnership with CTEC. It's funded by the Northwest Development Agency and the European Regional Development Fund, and it's accessed through Business Link Northwest. The focus of the programme is on innovation and the exploitation of knowledge.
EnviroLink Northwest is the cluster development organisation for the energy and environmental sector here in the northwest of England, primarily funded by the Northwest Development Agency. The Eco Innovation Programme complements the work that we do in that it provides direct support to businesses that want to undertake eco-innovation, whereas the work that we do around innovation is more about helping businesses to get into the innovation process. The Eco Innovation Programme supports businesses that have a need to develop their products and improve their environmental credentials of their products, if you like, to enable them to service the untapped markets that exist where people are demanding more energy efficient or greener products, recycled content products and the likes. So examples of that might be an automotive subcomponent manufacturer lightweighting its product to enable more fuel efficient cars to be produced in the future, or it might be a food packaging company working to include recycled content materials in their packaging in order for them to assist food manufacturers to service demands of the consumer for more environmentally friendly products.
This programme aims to leave a lasting legacy of companies that have grown as a result of the advice received. It also hopes to bring to market a range of new products and services. In particular, this programme is innovative in that it looks to design out efficiencies in any process and tackle them at the design stage.
MWorks is a regional environmental business support programme funded by the Northwest Development Agency. We help businesses in the region reduce their exposure to environmental risk and help them identify opportunities where they can improve their economic performance. We go into a business and we quickly identify what their opportunities and needs are, and from that we come up with a prioritised action plan of what they need to do to improve their performance. We then help the business to implement those recommendations. The Eco Innovation Programme is quite different from MWorks activity. At MWorks we focus on what a business is already doing and the waste that it's producing, and we help the company to optimise those processes. Eco Innovation is much more about looking at the potential of a business and what that might mean, and then exploring the opportunities and new markets that climate change will undoubtedly bring to the region and bringing the two together.
National market failures have been identified in reports such as the Stern Review and the Commission for Environmental Markets. Regional market failures in this area include a lack of exploitation of export for low carbon technologies and also a low level of innovation in this area. The Northwest Climate Change Action Plan foresaw the opportunities that eco-innovation could bring in terms of new jobs, new businesses. This programme helps SMEs to seize the opportunities that are available to them.
Lancaster University is the managing organisation for the Northwest Eco Innovation Programme. But in addition to those responsibilities, then we'll also provide our academic expertise to beneficiary businesses. Now, that might include using our academics and our postgraduate students as consultants for business. It may involve the use of space that we have at the university to allow companies to collaborate with us, and also specialist expertise such as that we have around eco-design and manufacture. We can also call on the expertise of other Northwest universities via an established network. Via our partnership with the Knowledge Transfer Network for Environmental Sustainability, which is sponsored by the Technology Strategy Board, we can also provide access to expertise outside of the region for the benefit of regionally based businesses. We continually evaluate the impact of our work at Lancaster on the business community. We've done a recent evaluation which shows that on average we can increase the turnover of a business between 5 and 10% following our intervention. We've also done some work to look at the activities of the Environment Centre at the university, and we can actually find in some cases that we've been successful in increasing turnover by 1 or 2 companies by as much as 50% following collaboration with them.
EnviroSystems is a solutions business. We do a number of products which supply solutions to the farming industry. Our biggest brand is EnviroBed. That is made from the short fibres from paper recycling. The paper industry in this country produces 1 million tonnes of sludge, which is a waste to them, every year, and it has to be disposed of. We actually take that product and make it into a fantastically absorbent animal bedding called EnviroBed. The business has benefited from knowledge transfer and Lancaster in a couple of ways. EnviroBed was difficult to understand at the start. It was behaving in an unpredictable manner on farms, being unstable, and it was the work of the Environment Centre that helped us get an answer on that, and our business has benefited. In addition to that, our biological products, we have slurry bugs and Optimise, and again, with the optimised silage inoculant, they did a significant amount of research to establish by how much we could improve the quality and nutrient density of the silage we were making. The programme benefits companies like ours because we need to be looking for new markets, and that's where the programme has helped. I can give you an example of that with the biofuel industry. It takes a huge amount of wood waste. Now, the wood waste was being used for the fibreboard industry. That's left that industry short of material to actually put into their fibreboard, and we have been approached to use our bedding as one of those components.
The Northwest Eco-Innovation Programme will support real-world innovators. It will also demonstrate what can be achieved by embracing eco-innovation. It will deliver a network of beneficiaries and champions who will become known for eco-innovation and will be able to support other businesses in their endeavours to produce low-carbon goods and services.